how to backup voice recordings to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on accounts and backup. In here, tap on backup data. Then scroll down and tap on voice recordings. Turn it on and turn off any other items that you do not need to backup right now. And then tap on backup now. And that's it. Voice recordings are now backup to Samsung Cloud. So it is taking some time. Once it's finished, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now tap on the done button to finished. And that's it. We have now successfully backup voice recordings to Samsung Cloud. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.